Hi, Dr. Motwani here with another result of Create Protocol. This is a 21-year-old gentleman who actually had to stop going to college because his eyes got so bad. Very, very bright young man. This was his right eye when he came to me. And the best we could get him with about 4 diopters of astigmatism was 20/60. And that's what we got him to afterwards. So we got him to 20/20 in the eye. With no correction, and you can see the cone is far, far, far less. The other eye was just smaller. You know, keratoconus is usually very asymmetric, but it was central. So he was still getting 20/20 with 1.5, and he's getting 20/20 with a little bit of hyperopia here, but a much smoother cornea without the glare in that particular eye. So he did really, really, really well, and he noticed, interestingly enough, that it just felt like the pressure came off. Like he could feel like he could see more naturally, and the pressure just came off his ability to see, his mind, if you will, which is what he commented to me, which was really interesting because essentially the optical centers in the brain were no longer working overtime to try to make an image out of this sort of confused jumble from all of this. It really made a pretty big difference in his life, but that's what we can do with the Create Protocol.